Alright, the second step in making our spindles is simply to plane down the board that we have that's at least 13 inches in length. We need to plane it down to 3/4 of an inch thick. Remember to start the vacuum before turning on the planer. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our board that we have here and we're going to plane the thickness down to 3/4 of an inch. Remember when you are operating the planer that we don't want to reach up under the gap for any reason. And if we have a problem with the planer, all we need to do is turn it off. Okay. Every time we run our board through the planer, we have to turn the hand wheel at no more than 1 revolution. Each revolution of the hand wheel is taking 1/16 of an inch off of the thickness. We're just going to keep running this through until we get down to 3/4 of an inch. And the reason why we're getting it down to 3/4 of an inch is because that is the width of our mortise, our mortises for our spindles. So if we get this down to 3/4 of an inch, it'll fit right in the holes that you made. As you get close, you want to measure it. I do have a gauge on the side of the planer you can go ahead and take a look at. I'm going to go ahead and double check both. Just about to 3/4. I'm going to do it about a half of a turn. That'll take off about a 32nd of an inch, plus it'll leave a nice smooth finish. And I will double check the thickness one more time. Just a hair more. And that should take me right down to 3/4 of an inch thickness. And that's what we want. And we'll go ahead and move on to our third step to make our spindles, which is moving over to the table saw and cut a 3/8 of an inch strip.